Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow Twitter apps access to photos on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on settings. Okay, then scroll down, tap on apps option and select your Twitter app or X account. Scroll down and tap on this app, click, and this option full access already, just tap. Then on this option is off, just tap on full access, click on full access, then back. That's all. To allow Twitter apps access to photos on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.